Hello friends, this particular video is how can you take online classes via EduNext app using Google Meet. And this video is especially for the mobile users, those who are using mobile to take the online classes. Now the next important step is we will use the Gmail ID which is from the domain of school, that is bvbvonlineclass.org. This is the domain of school, and from that you are getting one Gmail ID, sample ID, which everyone can use, that is sampleteacher@bvbvonlineclass.org, and its password is sampleteacher123 $. The most important thing is S is capital. Next, first step, you have to open the Google Chrome. First we will open the Google Chrome and not the Google. There is a difference. Google is used to search the content, but we need to configure our account. We have to log in. So we will open Chrome. As and when you open the Chrome, you will get this screen. Here, first step we will do, we will change our mobile screen into desktop screen, because if you will change your screen into desktop site, then it is easy to see all the features of any application. So we will click on these three dots. A pop-up will appear. Here we will check the box of desktop site. We will check this box. Now you can see my desktop screen is displayed. Here I will type, because I want to configure the account. So first I will see which account is logged in. I will type myaccount.google.com. It will display which account is selected right now. Now, to change the account, click on this ID icon. Click on this icon. It will give you a pop-up. In this pop-up, select manage accounts, because we have to add, and this practice we have to do only once. After that, simply we have to select the account. Now, manage account on this device. After that, we will select add account, because first time we are adding the account sample teacher. After that, a screen will be displayed which is asking for a pattern. Friends, remember, here you have to draw the pattern which you use to open your phone. It is the pattern which you use to open your phone. Now type the ID sampleteacher@bvbvonlineclass.org. Click on next. Now type the password. I am telling you again and again in password, S is capital. Then click on next. Now I agree. Click on this. You can see now sample teacher is added in your list. Now select this account. You can see now it is displayed on the home screen. Now we will open the EduNext site, that is bvbjaipur.edunext3.com. Now the login screen will appear. Type your login number, type your password, login, click on login. Then you can see teacher dashboard here. So select teacher dashboard. You can see the screen. Teacher's dashboard screen will open. Here you can see the menu, because you have opened the desktop site. If maybe you have not opened, you will get this screen. In this screen, you have to click on this particular bars. it will display the menu. Then you have to select eConnect from here. And here, if you have desktop view, you can click on eConnect. Now, click on, you can see it is Add with Google Meet button. Click on this because we are going to schedule the meeting. Now you can see to schedule the meeting, enter the academic year. Now the step is you have to select for whom you are holding the meeting. Click on this. It will give you two options. One student, another teacher. Here we will select student. Now configure the meeting, schedule the meeting, time, date, class, section, etc. Everything you will get here, and finally click on save. Now, for the practice, first we are planning for teachers. As I told you, for the students it's well and good, but for the practice we have to schedule for teachers. So again click on Add with Google Meet button. Now select meeting for teacher. Now you will get the option employee. Employee, click on this drop down. You will get teaching V. Teaching V means Vidyaashram teaching faculty. After that, you can see you will get employees. List of the teachers will be displayed. Here you can simply select the teachers with whom you want to conduct the meeting. Then schedule the meeting, write the topic, date, start time, end time, and finally click on save. Now you can see you are back on eConnect screen. Scheduled meeting is displayed. Then you have to click on start. You can see the Google Meet window will open. Again we have to configure our account. We have to select sample teacher account. For that what we will do, as I told you, click on the three bars, then click on this drop down. As you click on this drop down, you will get this another window. Select sample teacher ID. Now you can see whatever meetings are planned that are displayed here. Which one you want to start, click on join. Now you can see the meeting is started. You can start your Google Meet. I hope all of you are able to conduct the meeting. Best of luck.